Hey guys, welcome back. Cricket here with another sticker haul. Actually, some of it is not stickers. Some of it is the washi. And this is coming from So Cute Planner. I do have a code for her and she will be down in the description below. I actually have two. I haven't even gotten to open this one, but I'm going to open this one first. This was the Washi subscription, I believe, that I got. I might have gotten a little bit more, but just wanted to show you really quickly what I got in this subscription right here. It came with this real quick. It's a little sampler. It came with a sticky pad, which as you can see on my other one, that I do love her little stickies. This was the fall one. And then let's see, then it came with some matching, our full boxes here, and then some corner boxes here, or corner flags, excuse me, and then these are separate bow stickers, and there's your color. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Gorgeous. And it all matches the washi. And then here's the second thing that I got. It came with. It says, turn your dreams into plans, planner girl. I have a sticker for everything, and planner's gonna plan. And there's the colors. I'm hoping it comes straight through. Then I also got this journal card. It says turn your dreams into plan. I like to use these as dashboards. I like to laminate them, or I write little notes on that to my planner sisters and send it to them. So, but let's get on to the washi itself. Let me see if I can open this real quick. These are the two washis together. She gives you a lot in these little subscriptions. I have another one coming too. This one will be the full kit. So I'll be able to show you that one as well. All right, so here are these gorgeous, oh my God, these are beautiful. Look at that, with the rose gold. These are exclusive to So Cute Planner. And then here's this one. Beautiful. And y'all, please excuse my hands. They are rough. I do hair, as you can see, but they are raw. I haven't even wore my rings or my watch because I'm sanitizing after every single client and before another one comes in. So as you can see, everything that I'm using cleaner wise, it has really taken a toll on my skin. And I do use my washi, people. I don't understand people that don't use it. I mean, I get it, because it's so beautiful, but y'all, I'm gonna use my washi. Now look how beautiful that one is. Gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. And then last but not least, this is actually one of my favorites right here. This one right here. Look how beautiful that is. I love the colors. Love, love, love it. Cannot wait to use this. So that is what came in the washi subscription. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4 washis. Then you get a card. You get a sticker pad, like a notepad. Then you get a sampler, and then you get 2 foiled sheets. So awesome subscription. It's something that I look forward to getting all the time. And like I said, I do have one with the full kit coming, so you'll be able to see that next. All right, so that was the one thing that I got for you to show you. Let me move this a little bit out of the way. Still keep it so maybe you can see it, but I'm not sure. And then let's see what we got in this one. Make sure I got everything out of there. Okay. Okay, so let's open these separately here. This first one is, okay, so first things first is a little sampler I got. It says So Cute Planner, and it does have her email address, or the shop's address. And then look at the cuties, Mellow, and these are exclusive to So Cute Planner. These are hers. Aren't they cute? And then this is my freebie. If you mention my name in the notes to seller, you get this one. We got to pick what we wanted, and so I like to pick things that I think that you're actually going to use in your planner. So Take Control meant something really a lot to me. It's like taking control of your life, but you can use it for whatever. mellow in a coffee cup, because y'all know I love my coffee, Taco Tuesday, happy birthday, bows you can use all the time. But I also wanted to have a script that told you to believe in yourself. So that's what I chose, that one. So, you know, perfect things that you can actually use in your planner. And I hope that you like my freebie. All right, and then this is a Spring is in the Air, and it's a note card with Miss Meadow on there. All right, and then let's get to, this is Daisy at the grocery store shopping here. This is Daisy Grocery. Can't wait to use those so when life gets settled down. These are the silver foiled Easter egg and bunny deco. They're clear, and it was for the $2 Tuesday. Isn't that cute? Look at them. So cute. And then I got them in gold as well. And then the kit is Namaste In Bed Weekly Kit. It's breakfast, relax, movie time, and it's for the TN kit, Erin Condren, and it's a deluxe kit. And I had to have it, especially with everything that's going on right now. Look how cute this is. Definitely needs some brightness in our life. So there's your full boxes, and I love that she gave us a double box. Then your half boxes, quarter boxes, appointment boxes, bill due, and littles. Your habit trackers, water trackers, heart lists, sidebar, 3 heart checklist, and then your little icons. Let me go up a little bit closer so you can see all the icons. But look how bright her colors are. Love them. Then there are your day covers and your washi and your dates. So pretty. And then your glitter headers, and then your scripts, paper clips, coffee, mellow, and then the weekend banner. These colors are amazing. I love them. Okay, and that's Namaste. We'll put that one there. And then, of course, you can see what this one is. This is called the Cupcake Weekly Kit. I love how she's like actually putting them in separate holders right here. This is cute. All right, so I had to get one for birthday because, you know, you always have somebody that's having a birthday. So this one's Cupcake Weekly, and it's a deluxe. It also fits your TN, Erin Condren. So, but look at the beautiful colors. Look how beautiful that is. So bright and vibrant. Makes anybody happy. So there's your full boxes. Again, your half boxes, appointment boxes, bill due, and littles. Habit trackers, water trackers, icons, sidebar, heart checklist, and then half heart check boxes. Look how cute the date covers with the bottom washi and the date dots. I love that washi. And then your glitter headers with your scripts, again, in coffee, paper clips, mellow, and weekend. That's adorable. And that one is Cupcake. And see, she has on Friday, she has new kits coming out, and y'all, you gotta get them. I mean, you just have to get her kits because they are just wonderful. Okay, so this last one is Bloom and Grow. It's a weekly kit again for the Erin Condren. It's a deluxe kit, and here are your full boxes. Look how beautiful those colors are. Love them. Your half boxes, bill due, little things, and appointment boxes. Again, your water trackers, habit trackers, heart checklist, sidebar, half boxes, and icons. Your day covers, your bottom washi, your date dots, and then your glitter headers with your scripts, weekend banners, mellow, coffee, and clips. The colors are beautiful. And this one is called Bloom and Grow. So y'all definitely got to go check her out. She has sales constantly. She is in the next TPC sale. So you're going to want to go see her, check her out, fill up your carts, because she is ridiculously phenomenal. I mean, it's just absolutely beautiful. You won't be disappointed for sure. Check out her subscriptions because she's got different ones too. Washi subscriptions, full kits. I mean, she has everything. So come check her out. Don't forget to put my name so that you can get my freebie. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And hit that bell so you know when I'm doing my Plan With Me's or my sticker hauls. I hope y'all have an awesome, blessed week. Praying for you and staying healthy and well. And I hope to see you back here real soon. Talk with you later. Bye-bye.